Hello, good afternoon everyone. So I'm Adele and I'm one of the sales leaders of IKEA Philippines. So it's nice to see everybody here. And it is my pleasure to welcome also familiar faces and also new faces into the IKEA world. So this is an invitation to reflect on what truly matters in our homes and how thoughtful design can enhance the way we live every day. So this event offers a closer look at our ongoing commitment to democratic design, where Ricardo will tell you more about it later. So it is IKEA's promise to deliver well-designed, functional, high-quality, sustainable, and affordable products for the many Filipinos. So these are the 5 pillars. We will talk more during our walk today. And these are the very foundation of the products that we create here in IKEA. Yeah? So which brings us to the highlight of today, which is the Stockholm 2025 collection. For over 40 years, as what was mentioned by Isa, so Stockholm has represented the very best of IKEA. It is our most premium expression of craftsmanship, comfort, and style. The 2025 collection continues the legacy with 93 beautiful pieces. So you will see some of them here in our exhibit today. So these products are both functional and emotionally resonant, timeless pieces which brings warmth, character, and quality to any home. So what this launch make it even more exceptional is that this is being launched worldwide. And here in IKEA Philippines, we are also excited that we are doing the same thing. It is a celebration of design that transcends borders, rooted in Sweden and Scandinavian tradition, yet made to resonate in real homes around the world, including ours. So from the statement sofas that you can see from here as soon as you enter, handcrafted tablewares and also mouth-blown vases. Every element in this collection reflects our belief that great design should be both accessible and enduring. So this afternoon, you'll get to explore the Stockholm 2025 collection through a showcase of thoughtfully curated displays. As we move through the display area with Isa, I'll be sharing the inspiration behind the designs, the materials we choose, and the principles that guided every detail. So thank you once again for joining us. So we hope today leaves you feeling inspired and renewed appreciation for design that's not only beautiful, but also meaningful.
Thank you. Let's give Miss Madelle a round of applause.